Honey, are you all right? You're dreaming. Doug? Is it about Mars? Is that better? My poor baby. This is getting to be an obsession. Hmm? Was she there?
Who?
The one you told me about. The brunette.
Oh, Laurie. I can't believe you're jealous of a dream.
Who is she?
Nobody.
Nobody. What's her name?
I don't know.
Tell me.
I don't know.
Better tell me. It's not funny. Doug, you dream about her every night.
But I'm always back in the morning.
Let me go.
Come on, baby. You know you're the girl of my dreams.
You mean it?
You know I do.
Give you something to dream about.
The chairman defended the attack.